Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through one of the most important skills you can master for modern web design, working with breakpoints in Wix Studio. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use and customize breakpoints to make sure your website looks absolutely perfect on any device, whether it's a huge desktop monitor, a tablet, or a tiny smartphone screen. If you've ever wondered why your site looks great on your computer but a little off on your phone, stick with me. I'm going to clear all this up for you. Let's dive right into Wix Studio. First thing to notice, right at the top of your workspace, you'll see a set of three little icons. These represent your breakpoints, which are preset for desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Think of breakpoints like checkpoints in a race. It's where your website pauses to change up its layout and make sure it fits that particular size of screen. Clicking between these three breakpoints lets you preview exactly how your design responds on different devices. You'll notice each time you select one, things move and resize. Maybe your text shrinks or your images stack differently. This isn't just for show. Wix Studio automatically reorganizes your content based on which breakpoint you choose, so you can tinker with each version and make sure everything looks sharp and professional. Now, here's a power tip that designers love. See those three little dots beside the breakpoints? Go ahead and click them. This is where Wix Studio truly shines, and where you get control beyond the standard desktop, tablet, and mobile options. Sometimes your audience uses devices that don't quite fit those classic categories. Maybe they're browsing on an ultra-wide laptop or a compact foldable phone. This is where custom breakpoints come in handy. To set up your very own breakpoint, click Add Breakpoint. You'll be prompted to enter a value. This number is the screen width in pixels, where you want your website's layout to change. For example, maybe you know lots of your visitors use screens that are 1440 pixels wide. Just type that in. Or perhaps your design needs a unique layout on small tablets, so you pick a value like 700 pixels. You can make your site adapt to practically any device that matters for your audience. Take your time here. Think about who's visiting your site and what devices they might use. Once you've entered your custom value and confirmed, you'll see your new breakpoint pop up alongside the default ones. This means Wix will now treat this width just like it does desktop, tablet, or mobile, letting you fine-tune the design for your exact needs. You can click on this breakpoint and adjust your layout, rearrange images, change font sizes, tweak spacing, whatever it takes to make sure everything looks perfect at this specific size. Don't worry if your changes aren't visible immediately. It sometimes helps to preview your site or resize your browser window to test things out fully. If you ever make a mistake or want to try a different size, you can always go back and adjust the breakpoint value. And that's really it. Setting up and customizing breakpoints in Wix Studio is a simple but powerful way to ensure your website is truly responsive, looking flawless and professional for every visitor on every device. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment if you have any questions or want to see more tricks for Wix Studio. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.